Silver is just starting its next major bull run. In today's analysis, I will take a look at silver looking at a higher time frame, showing you how you can capitalize on an exponential trading opportunity. If we take a look right here at the monthly chart of silver and we determine the overall trend, you can see that at least if we're looking at the last decade, silver is in a clear uptrend. There are a couple of horizontal structure levels which are pretty significant on silver. The first one being at this $18 level. You can see that this has been acting as resistance in the past, then support, then resistance, and just a couple of months ago, basically in the end of 2022, this was acting as support. Silver created bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames, and then this beautiful rejection away towards the upside. The next horizontal structure, as you can see, was at this $28 level. Again, in the past, this was previous support basically all the way back in 2011. Then it was turned resistance in the end of 2020. We saw multiple rejections away towards the downside, and just a couple of months ago, silver once again broke above this previous structure, previous resistance. As you know, after the break towards the upside was turned support. Silver then also created bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames. After this beautiful break and retest, it was quite likely that we will see a continuation towards the upside. The next horizontal structure is roughly at this $35 level. Also, again, you can see that in the past this was acting as previous support. Then after the break towards the downside, it was turned resistant the first time and actually a second time. And considering that silver is currently trading below this resistance, this is definitely a quite nice level to take partial profits. However, I honestly believe that we will see a breakout. Why? Because first of all, if we look at the previous move right here with the COVID crash, you consider we had a significant short-term rally towards the upside, and this was a move of 150%. And once again, silver, just looking at this previous cycle, can again trade a rally of 150% towards the upside, which would bring us all the way up to the previous all-time high, roughly at this $45 level. Therefore, I do expect a breakout. Then, the second conference is that silver has actually been trading in a so-called rising channel formation. If we just make all of the previous significant lows and all of the previous significant highs, you can see that overall, silver is trading in this rising channel. Also, looking at this rising channel, it's quite likely that we will see a breakout, followed by a retest. Then, as you know, previous resistance would be turned support, and you can certainly go ahead and enter another trading position after this bullish break and retest. And then again, it's just quite likely that eventually we will see a retest of the previous all-time high. Therefore, I am still significantly bullish on silver. I honestly do expect a bullish break above this previous resistance, which is then, as I mentioned, turned support on the retest. And then you can certainly go ahead, if you're not in a trade on silver yet, go ahead, enter a long position. No financial advice, but it's quite likely that we will see the overall continuation towards the upside. Right now, as I mentioned, we just took partials because silver is currently retesting resistance. After this strong move, we might see a short-term retracement, but the path of these resistances towards the upside, market structure and price action are all still bullish.